Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will learn new topic in Excel. Two ways to remove duplicate values in Excel. We have two different ways we can remove duplicate values in Excel. Let's start. It is our data 5, 15, 20, 30. Then again repeat 5, 15. Then 45, 65 and 80. How do we know that duplicate values? Here we see 5 and 15, then 5 and 15. This is duplicate. If we have range of data, we just click the range, conditional formatting, new rule, format only unique or duplicate values, duplicate, format, and select color. Then press OK and OK. Here you see duplicate values are highlighted by red color. You just delete row, control minus, then you easily get unique values. It is our first way. Now we discuss the second way. The same data, we just copy paste, we just use 5 and 15, conditional formatting. Here we don't need to use conditional formatting, we just select data, the second way is just select the data, click on data tab and click on remove duplicates. Click on my data as header, column data and press OK. Here you see the message, 2 duplicates values found and removed. 7 unique values remains. Click on OK. Here you see the duplicate value 5 and 15 has removed. Hopefully you understand this video. Thank you.